aren't exactly the payment of choice these days, but they are still circulating. And for small business owners, a stack of checks can pile up fast, and finding time to get to the bank can be a chore. But in the future, depositing checks for small businesses may be as simple as taking a photo with your phone. Depositing a check doesn't have to entail an all-out ATM hunt, at least not for some. Texas-based USAA Bank has developed Deposit at Mobile, a practical iPhone application allowing its customers to deposit checks anywhere, anytime, in a matter of minutes. At the office, when you can't get away. On the weekend, when banks are closed. On your lunch break. Or while you're waiting for the bus.
You just put a check down on a table and take a picture of the front, take a picture of the back. The app will tell you if you got a good picture or not, and you hit submit and it will give you a confirmation number and you'll see those funds in your bank account usually immediately.
That's it. No waiting in long lines, dealing with out-of-order ATMs, fussing with deposit envelopes, or hunting for a pen so you can endorse the check.
It's called remote deposit capture, and what we've built internally at USA is all the algorithms around what I just described was the stillness of the phone, the angle of the phone, the lighting, and then processing all of that as an image on the back end, just like you had the physical check, but now you're processing an image of that check. And then obviously code that I had to take place on the iPhone itself.
So what do you do with the check afterwards? No, you don't have to mail it in. USAA recommends destroying it, so it's probably best just to shred it. USAA caters to military personnel who are often stationed around the world. Since the bank only has one branch in San Antonio, most customers previously had to mail in their checks. But this new technology allows banking from wherever they're located. Other banks are interested in developing their own versions of Deposit at Mobile so that they can also offer the ability to bank no matter where you are. Of course, in this era of rampant identity theft, USAA had to ensure security even when customers are using open Wi-Fi networks.
You still have to log into our mobile services, so you're giving us your credentials so that we know who you are and who's behind that transaction. And then based on your relationship with USAA, we determine whether, one, you have access to the service, and then two, if you're going to have immediate access to your funds. If that really was a true identity theft, we have procedures and precautions around that we would make sure that we would make that customer whole and we would rectify that situation and go after whoever the fraudster was.
Deposit at Mobile is currently only available for the iPhone, but BlackBerry and Android versions are in the works. The future of check deposits, turning your cell phone into your very own mobile bank. For BNet, I'm Sumi Das.